The Plan My Meals screen gives you access to meal plans that have been recommended. On your web account, you will have access to your meal plans as well as on your mobile app under the My Meals icon. On the web account, click on any of the links to see the actual meal plan and meal times. On the mobile app, press on the day to display the meal times. From the My Meals and Plan My Meals screen, you can exchange foods for food preferences by clicking on the Exchange link. This will open the database window. On the mobile app, touch on the food and touch the option menu in the top right, then click Exchange Food. Select the food in which you would like to make the exchange for. Serving sizes will automatically be adjusted to keep calories in balance on both the web account and the mobile app. You also have the option to delete a food from your meal plan. In the web account, click the Delete link and confirm deletion. In the mobile app, touch on the food, then touch the option menu in the top right and click Remove from Plan. You can also adjust the serving size of a food. On the web account, click the Edit link, adjust the number of servings, and click Update Food. On the mobile app, touch on the food, then use the scroll button at the bottom to identify the change, and then press Save Changes from the Options menu.